What's up mga ka-edtech, and welcome to another episode of the Edtech Explorer. And for today's episode, we're going to discuss how to create our very own QR code. What is a QR code? A QR code, or quick response codes, these are like barcodes, alright, that whenever we scan it using the camera of our mobile phone, it will actually lead us to another website or to another page containing more information about a particular topic, or it can also lead us to a website that will allow us to watch a video or maybe look at a certain poster. And it can also be utilized for our personal calling cards, okay? So whenever people try to scan our calling card, it will lead them to a particular page containing your contact details. Okay, so how do we create our QR code? Actually, it's very easy to create our QR code. All you have to do is just to open your browser, and you can just simply type create free QR code, and then just press enter. The result will give us a lot of websites that actually creates or generates free QR code. Now, but for this demo, okay, I will be using the bit.ly website. So all you have to do is to go to bit.ly.com and create your account. Once you are in their dashboard, all you have to do is just to look for this button, the create new button, left click on that, look for QR code. Okay, if you reach this part of the video, please don't forget to subscribe in our YouTube channel and in our Facebook page called the Edtech Explorer to be more updated with our video tutorials. To proceed, click on this QR code, and then in the destination area, you must place here the link where you want your audience to go to whenever they scan your QR code. The title, although it's optional, but it's a best practice to place a title on that. And then for the short link, this is the link that you can actually give your audience. And so after doing this, click design your code. After clicking that, you can do some changes. Okay, if you want to change the colors here. And then after that, if you're already satisfied with the design of your QR code, then all you have to do is just to click create your code, like so, and automatically your QR code is ready to be utilized. Okay, so you can click this download PNG so that you can utilize it to whatever platform. You can use it for your website, you can use it for your calling card, or you just simply save it on your phone, and that whenever people ask you for your contact details maybe, or whenever you want people to know about your website, you don't have to give them the details. All you have to do is just to show the QR code and then allow them to scan it so that they will be able to visit your website. Alright? And if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us in Facebook, and of course, please do like and share this video. Thank you very much, and until next time, bye-bye!